If you're using the Preview app on your iPhone with iOS 26 and want to change the default save location, this video will walk you through the exact steps. So first, unlock your iPhone and open Settings app. Now once you're on Settings, scroll down until you find the app section and tap on it. Now inside the apps list, scroll through until you find Preview, then tap on it. So it will open the app settings. And after opening the preview settings, look for the option called Document Storage or Save Location. So tap on this option to continue. Now you'll see different storage options available. So typically you'll have options like iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. So to change the default save location, simply select your preferred option. So if you choose on my iPhone, your documents will be saved locally on your device. But if you choose iCloud Drive, your files will be saved to the cloud, allowing you to access them from other Apple devices. Now, once you select your preferred storage option, the change will be applied automatically. So you don't need to tap Save button. Now, whenever you create, scan, or edit a document in the Preview app, it will be saved to the location you selected. So if you ever want to change it again, just go back to Settings. So go to Apps, look for Preview, go to Document Storage, and choose your preferred location. And that's it. That's how you change the default save location in the Preview app on iPhone in iOS 26. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.